Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Kids Tool Belt is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents who want to encourage their toddlers' creativity and role-playing, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will help you navigate the world of kids' tool belts, focusing on key features like durability, safety, adjustability, and of course, the fun factor, to help you find the perfect fit for your little builder. Number 5. John Deere Deluxe Talking Tool Belt. Introducing the John Deere Deluxe Talking Tool Belt, a fun and educational toy for your little one. It's perfect for sparking their imagination and developing their fine motor skills. With this tool set, your child can mimic mom and dad, improving their hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. It's a great way to encourage creative and imaginative play. The electronic belt buckle adds an extra layer of fun with tool sounds and phrases. It makes playtime even more engaging and exciting for your toddler. This set includes a hammer, wrench, screwdriver, pliers, ratchet, and tape measure, all designed to look and feel like the real thing. It's perfect for introducing your child to the world of tools and construction. The tool belt is easily adjustable to fit your child comfortably, ensuring they can enjoy hours of pretend play. It's designed for easy use and long-lasting fun. This officially licensed John Deere toy makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's suitable for toddlers aged 2 to 5 years old, encouraging imaginative play and development. What we like. It has a talking buckle that makes tool sounds, it's officially licensed John Deere, and includes 6 plastic tools. If your child loves John Deere and interactive toys, this is a great option for imaginative play and developing fine motor skills. It's perfect for pretend play scenarios, letting them mimic adult activities in a fun and engaging way. What people say. The quality is top-notch. Seriously, these tools and the tool belt have been through a lot, and they're still kicking. For the past 2 years they've been thrown, dropped, and used like there's no tomorrow. I'm blown away by how well they've held up. It's clear that they're made to last. He loves them and plays with them all the time. He loves wrapping the belt around his waist and walking around like he's a real construction guy. The quality is great, but fewer pieces than some other cheaper sets. The size was great for their smaller hands. Number 4. Hi-Spec 16 PC Kids Toolkit. It's a complete set of real metal tools, perfectly sized for little hands. It's ideal for sparking their interest in DIY, woodworking, and construction. This kit has everything they need to get started. From a hammer and screwdrivers to a tape measure and carabiner clip, it's all included. It helps them learn essential skills. With a level, pencils, and a sharpener, they'll master measuring and alignment. Safety is key. The kit includes safety glasses and cotton gloves to keep little hands safe during projects. The adjustable tool belt keeps everything organized and within reach. It's made from tough nylon and fits waists 22 to 27 inches. Give your child the gift of building and learning. This kit makes it fun and safe to explore their creativity. What we like. This one stands out with real metal tools, a durable nylon belt, and includes safety glasses and gloves. If you're looking for a set that introduces your child to real tools and basic construction skills in a safe way, this is the best choice. It's ideal for kids who show an interest in DIY projects and want to learn practical skills. What people say. It literally looks like the real thing. The tool's the best and all accessories. It is well made with real tools and a pouch so he feels like a big guy helping. The belt fit well, the tools are great for his size and yes they are actual tools. We haven't broken any yet and I got it about 8 months ago. Number 3. LOYO Kids Tool Set. It comes with a handy toolbox to store all 27 pieces. Everything is organized and ready for your little one's next building project, just like dad's. The electric drill makes realistic sounds and movements. It even has 3 interchangeable drill bits and needs only 2 AA batteries to operate. The tool belt has 7 pockets for all the tools and is adjustable to fit waists from 22 to 28 inches. It's perfect for little builders on the go. This set supports STEM learning and helps develop skills like problem solving and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun way to encourage creativity and imagination. Give the gift of imaginative play and learning. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Watch your child's face light up with excitement. What we like. It comes with a power drill that makes realistic sounds, has 27 pieces in total, and features an adjustable belt. If your child is fascinated by power tools and enjoys extensive tool sets, this is a great pick. The variety of tools and the realistic drill will spark their creativity and enhance their pretend play experience. What people say. The drill actually functions with the rest of the set to play build. Good quality toys, not cheaply made. The tool set is very sturdy and he loves them. Number 2. Black & Decker Jr. Tool Belt Set. It's time to get to work. This tool belt set has everything you need to start your next project. With 11 tools and accessories, you'll be prepared for any task. It's the perfect way to start your construction career. This set comes with a variety of popular tools, so you'll always have the right tool for the job. You'll find everything you need right here. Safety goggles are included to keep your eyes protected while you work. Safety is always important. This tool belt is perfect for little builders aged 3 and up. It's the perfect gift for any budding construction worker. Grab your tools and let's get started. With this complete set, the possibilities are endless. What we like. This set offers 11 tools and includes safety goggles, all in a classic design. If you want a simple yet comprehensive tool set with a focus on safety, this is a good option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a straightforward approach to pretend play and construction activities. What people say. The tools are made well, and the belt is small but has an elastic band that adjusts and Velcro attachment, so it fits pretty well. It snaps together with Velcro so is adjustable in size. The tools that come with it are good also. They are just a standard plastic tool. Number 1. Melissa & Doug Deluxe Tool Belt. Get ready for some serious playtime fun. This tool belt is packed with everything your little builder needs. It has a sturdy nylon belt and 5 solid wooden tools, just like the grown-ups use. It's perfect for little hands. With 8 building pieces, it's time to create amazing structures. Let's see what you can build. It's more than just fun, it helps develop fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and hand-eye coordination. Add a personal touch with the reusable name tag. It's the perfect gift for preschoolers. This is a great way to encourage imaginative, hands-on play, away from screens. Let the building begin. What we like. It features wooden tools, includes building pieces, and has an adjustable belt. If you prefer eco-friendly and durable materials and want to encourage problem-solving skills, this is the one for you. The wooden tools add a unique tactile element to the play experience, making it ideal for creative and hands-on learning. What people say. The wood really aids in the durability and he is constantly foxing things. The wooden tools have held up well to a lot of pounding. The belt features a hook and loop closure, so can fit on a wide variety of children and work well. 2. It comes with a great variety of realistic but safe tools. 3. The tools are sized perfectly to work with other M&D wooden products. For example, the screwdriver from this tool belt works perfectly on screw-type items from the workbench. 4. It comes with some nuts and bolts to use the tools on. 5. Everything stores nicely and neatly in the tool belt, reducing clutter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.